Good morning, everybody. Have a nice morning today. Have a very nice time with my English class at the beginning of the day. Welcome. You are most welcome to my digital classroom, your spoken English class. Spend just 2 or 3 minutes a day here in my class and be a fluent English speaker very shortly. Today I'll read 2 beautiful stories with 2 beautiful lessons for all of us. Try to follow me. Yes, with all your attention. Now the stories, but you are to wait a bit till the end to know the names and the morals. Let's start. The first story. A fox was boasting to a cat one day about how clever he was. Why, I have a whole bag of tricks, he bragged. For instance, I know of at least 100 different ways of escaping my enemies, the dogs. How remarkable, said the cat. As for me, I have only one trick, though I usually made it work. I wish you could teach me some of yours. Well, sometime when I have nothing else to do, said the fox, I might teach you 1 or 2 of my easier ones. Just at that moment, they heard the yelping of a pack of hounds. They were coming straight toward the spot where the cat and the fox stood. Like a flash, the cat scampered up a tree and disappeared in the foliage. This is the trick I told you about, she called down to the fox. It's my only one. Which trick are you going to use now? The fox sat there trying to decide which of his many tricks he was going to employ. Nearer and nearer came the hounds. When it was quite too late, the fox decided to run for it. But even before he started, the dogs were upon him, and that was the end of the fox, bag full of tricks and all. The name of the story, The Cat and the Fox. The moral, one good plan that works is better than 100 doubtful ones. The second story, once upon a time, an ass found a lion's skin and put it on. In this disguise, he roamed about, frightening all the silly animals he met. When a fox came along, the ass in the lion's skin tried to frighten him too, but the fox, having heard his voice, said, If you really want to frighten me, you will have to disguise your bray. The name of the story, The Ass in the Lion's Skin. The moral, clothes may disguise a fool, but his words will give him away. Now our daily motivational quote. Smart people can learn from everything and everyone. Average people from their experiences. And stupid people already have the answers. Socrates.